like two little midgets. You're like two really fat.
I can't.
I think Julie just gets dumb.
I can't see. This dude.
But here's your belly. I'm gonna turp on the ground.
Let's do baby chest check. Okay. Open.
Belly slam.
Get her belly. Jump on her belly. Jump belly.
Is this how you feel when you're fat? Whoa.
Come on, baby, same time.
Yeah, you put your jaw so gently.
You roll out. Belly stuck.